Today, I'm going to show you how to make a secret bookshelf entrance. You will need a copper bulb, a redstone comparator, redstone dust, an observer, sticky piston, a redstone repeater, glass, a bookshelf, and a chiseled bookshelf. Let's get started. First, place your bookshelves like this. Just place your bookshelves and leave a space wherever you want for the chisel bookshelf. I'm going to put mine there and just do this. Now, place an observer when the red dot is facing away here and the face is onto it, so you place it onto this bookshelf. Now, just grab a block and put redstone dust, then chuck a copper orb in, and then place a comparator here. Now place redstone dust here, and now extend it out a bit, and do what I do. So you place like this, pistons there, leave a free block space, then place sticky pistons here. Make sure they're facing this. These ones are facing this way. So now you place bookshelves here, like the ones that get pushed in, and then you place a block there, redstone dust there, put a repeater there, set to 2 ticks, and then put redstone dust there, and dig a hole like this, like an L shape, like see goes out there. Anyway, now you place a repeater there, 0 ticks, and then place your redstone dust here, and place your glass and 2 normal blocks, and you place your redstone dust there, repeater there, 0 ticks, then place redstone dust there. Now go like this. Now I need to tunnel it under, so just make a quick tunnel under like this. Anyway, now just do that, and now it should work. So come around to here and grab a book, any book, an enchant book, doesn't matter at all. Just grab a book, and then fill this up with books, and it should work. Take one out, and then it'll go out, then put one in, it'll attract. So like, thanks for watching. Bye.